muna and then magsasagot din si Gabby after. Ladies first daw.
Girls, elbow kiss and elbow.
Sige, after ni Gabby, sagot kayo Gabby, kumusta ang kissing scene? Magkaiba ba?
Alam mo, miski sa personal ba ako Hindi ako sanay na kinikwento mo paano ko makapag-kiss sa mga leading ladies. Wala akong napag-ikwentuhan talaga. Kaya mahirap sagutin.
Ayun nga, yung dalawa naman babae. Kumusta yung kissing scene lang? Kasi syempre, may eksena parang ibang-iba yung halik Lalo na pag nagkakaroon ng astral projection, di ba?
Depende
medyo
po.
wild. Ikaw, dalawang beses ka bang naging wild?
Depende. Kumbaga yung question niya is kamusta yung kissing scene. Depende po kung kaninong character.
So, kanino ka mas nahirapan?
Siyempre, kay Aspara po.
Di ba mas maganda nga yung parang
feisty.
all out?
Yes, very feisty po siya. She's liberated. May pagkapalengkera. Hindi po siya nag-hesitate sa mga sinasabi po niya.
So, mas mahirap siya?
Mas mahirap, syempre po.
Hindi siya mas masarap?
Hindi po. Mas mahirap Aspara. So, as Lucy naman po, syempre very pleasant kasi they play husband and wife. Opo, yun.
Si ano naman, Beauty, ikaw naman.
Oh my God!
Flash na po yung aming leading man.
Oh my God!
Acting lang yan, di ba?
Oo nga, ganun Beauty.
Oh my gosh, I don't kiss and tell. But yun, sige. I did enjoy. Okay, I enjoyed everything. And I must say, Gabby is such a gentleman. So I enjoy every bit. Lucy or Farah, he was such a good gentleman. We did it in 1 take or 2 takes para hindi na maging awkward. And I really admire that of him. And I must say, I enjoyed it a lot. I felt like I was taken good care of.
Pero sino ka doon? Mas para ka ba mas Lucy?
Well, it depends on the time of the day.
Ayan, thank you very much.